So, yeah, you see that pussy news they have on Peterson? What do that thing there? Stop spreading rumors about that man. Here we go on country, man. We go find you.
Hey, pussy boy, Trinidad blood clot boy. We know everything about you, you know. You're a blood clot bottom feeder. Go suck out your mama when she dip on her blood clot blood. Boy, you come look for me pussy. Yo, may I show you something? Look on that picture of your pussy.
This is the house where the incident occurred. Dead is 25-year-old Vashqueen Reed, a Jamaican national who resided with his family at Bossy Grozile. The young man, according to reports, operated a small business inside this home where he was shot multiple times by an unknown assailant. There is no word from the family as to what the motive for the shooting is.
Hey, Trini boy, we know everything about you and we know what you do. You understand? You see that Jamaican girl there? Are you a fucker, you know? And she set up her man. And are you do that? The police, them a look for you in a St. Lucia pussy. You understand? She run that jackmail. You understand? And let me tell you something. Are you kill that Jamaican boy there? You and your blood clot Trini friend. You think we don't know? Countryman know everything about your pussy. Another girl they set up her Jamaican man down at St. Lucia. Pussy go suck your mother Trini boy. Now in all my time they have vlog, you know. St. Lucia the only country where we get the most threats. You understand? It goes to show that St. Lucia, some of the man them down there make the place a nasty little island. Not everybody. You understand? We just use the term in general, but we don't talk everybody. Because not everybody is like that. But pussy who send the threat, go suck your mother. I'm not afraid of none of you. You're only bad in a St. Lucia batty boy. You understand? You're only bad in a St. Lucia. You can't stop me from spread the truth. You understand? Yo, somebody tell me now, say the boy Petterson, him have a whole heap of influence. So I must want a film blood clot goon. Pussy go find your girl body. You understand? And your mother pussy. And that if you go find. I'm not afraid of none of you. You understand? Only bad in our country. Meet me out of your blood clot country pussy. And think and say the bomb clot you get. Batty boy. Let's go. Now look at that youth in front of you. That man right there. His name is Sickey. And that is Petterson Phanter cousin. You understand? Now, a big thing is going on between Pan and Petterson. Come I mention it today in the video that I put up. Sickey, it is said that Sickey was killed by Pan. They said Pan called the shot because they had a peace deal or a peace treaty going on, and Sickey said he doesn't want to be a part of that. You understand? So he break off from the graveyard block and Pan them say put a hit on him and make them kill him. Now this is Petterson's first cousin. You understand? And from what I am hearing, Petterson is very pissed off about it. And the man them, when they were on Petterson, they were saying it man them is after Pan. They just telling you what's going on. Now Pan is with Iron Pum Pum, Miss Germs. So you know how that is for the man them in a jail. Hard for them get out of that situation.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Now, this is Vashqueen. Cause I change her name again. I call her Vashqueen because I think so that fit her better. Now, you see that brother here? Let me tell you something about him. All I'm friend them dead off. He set up him friend them. You understand? And the friends them who realize what he is, they break away from him and then join up with Black Panther, which is Petterson. And now them a tag him and them a look for him. Now, if any man want dead and have bad luck in a St. Lucia, go hang out with that bottom feeder here, Vashqueen. And let me tell you something, bad luck I go reach you now. Worse, you hear me I say now, bad luck. The bad luck we are going to reach you now, if you don't hang out with that pussy here, worse than Obia. Now, now show that picture. I want you to look on the picture here, right now. That is Barrel. And that's Vashqueen cousin. Now, the rumor mill in St. Lucia is that Vashqueen set up him cousin Barrel. It is stink out there. I mean, that's why some of the man them even cut and start their own Petterson. And them attack that brother here. Them attack, what name? Vashqueen. You understand? Him caused the death of his own cousin, this man right here, Barrel. And this is him right here at Barrel's funeral. Now, look at that picture. That's him at Barrel's funeral. And he is the one who set up that young man's life. Now, why am I doing this video? I'm doing this video to show the dynamics, show the public, law enforcement, whoever, what is going on in St. Lucia. This boy, Vashqueen, him is a walking dead. And any man will have him around them, y'all need to push him out. Because he is going to bring bad luck on you. Now, people who really know him, you know say him is a rapist. And him go around and sleep with all him cousin them. The female cousin, yeah. Him sleep with him female cousin against her will. You understand? And him keep on getting away with stuff like this. Time when to put a stop to that, law enforcement. Get this one off the street. Betty them can't protect him. Put him in there with Petterson them. You understand? Him need for death a prison. Vashqueen. As that countryman say. And you see you, me nah stop right there near my youth. every move you make, me know. As a matter of fact, me know where you there hide out. Hold on there. Me tell you where you there hide out, pussy. Now, pussy, before me tell you where you live, me want to watch that clip ya. Cause you see, in a them shooting ya and killing, me know say you involved in a them. And me will talk about you at a later date. But pussy, Vashqueen, me want you know say, you're there in a my radar. You understand? Watch them clip ya. And you're involved in a them thing ya pussy. You think me no know, but me know. Watch these people.
Was a bloody weekend in St. Lucia with the violent deaths of 5 individuals in 3 separate shooting incidents. The bloodletting began on Friday night in Belmont Dennery around 9 p.m. One resident and friend of the deceased, who is identified as 29-year-old Mickey Sonson, recounts to News Force the aftermath of the deadly shooting.
But when I hear the vibe by going down the road, I see his sister there crying. So I follow them where they going. And when I get there, I get the man under a banana tree, the man dead already. You check. The man was a good man for me. You check. That is a best friend for me.
According to a press release from the Royal St. Lucia Police Force, officers from the Reach 4 police station responded to the shooting and observed Sonson with apparent gunshot wounds about his body. The longtime friend of the deceased describes him as always willing to lend a helping hand.
So me just bring the police attention to them thing and me will have some more upon you with them killing your pussy. Vashqueen. You understand? Me I tell you something about me. You see me, countryman? Don't bumper club play with me. None of you. Now, Vashqueen, me say your house there around a Jackmill. So the man them around the same day hide out. You understand? Pussy. You don't know countryman. Me a bad man, but guess what? Certain things me nah do. Me nah kill my friend them. Me nah rob my friend them. You understand? Me nah kill no poor people in my neighborhood. We nah do them thing there. Me a deal with human rights and justice. Only need to look up that bomber clock. How no understand? Freedom fighter pussy. Check this out. Me have some more thing I come. I am pumping all of them things that come. So, wanna stay tuned on the channel. We just want to drop a little video here and do some update and make people know say yo, my thing is facts. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click on another video. I'm out.